Hello students, welcome here to a new topic. Our new topic is a poem. It is Basketful of Moonlight. This is an English translation of a poem written in Dogri language. Students, Dogri language is a regional language. It is spoken in some parts of India. They are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and some northern parts of Punjab. Now this poem is basically written in that Dogri language and it is translated into English by poet Sunil Sharma. In the poem, a small child in a village wants his father to return early and safely from the city to tell him stories. So he requests the moon to give seeds of moonlight to sow them to lighten the dark route from the city to his village. So this is the central idea of this poem, and this poem is moving around that central idea. A child's innocent request to moon. He is requesting moon to give him a basket full of moonlight. Let's see it stanza wise. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. See, in very first stanza, the child is requesting moon to give him basket full of moonlight, and he is requesting that moon again and again to give him at least one basket full or two baskets full of moonlight. Now why he wants that moonlight? Why he wants the seeds of moonlight? Let's see in second stanza. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. See why he wants that moonlight. The child is saying that he wants to sow the seeds of moonlight on the sides of the path that leads to his village from the city. He wants to sow many small moons of light all along the path. म्हणजे त्याच्या गावातून शहराकडे जाणारा जो रस्ता आहे त्या रस्त्याच्या बाजूने त्याला हे छोट्या बिया चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या पेरायच्या आहेत. Now why he wants to sow the seeds beside that road? We can see it in third stanza. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. See why he wants to lighten that road. According to the child, the whole village means people who are going to work to the city. These people go to the city for work. By the time of their return to the village, it becomes quite dark as his village is quite far off from the city. Moreover, the route to the village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Still, the villagers have to tread the same path as there is no cart or bus services. See why he wants to sow the seeds, because the road is darkened. तो रस्ता जो आहे तो पूर्ण अंधारा आहे आणि खडतर आहे, आणि नुसताच खडतर नाही आहे तर इट इज फुल ऑफ स्नेक्स अँड स्कॉर्पियन्स, म्हणजे साप विंचू यांचं साम्राज्य असणारा असा तो रस्ता आहे. When my father returns home, I am asleep and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. Here the poet is saying that, the child is saying that in the case of this child, the speaker of the poem, He is always asleep by the time his father returns home from work. Then again, the father leaves early for work in the morning while child is still asleep. So the child repents his request for a basketful of moonlight on loan. So it is clear why he wants that moonlight. He wants his father to return early because of that light. म्हणजे जर तो रस्ता प्रकाशमय झाला तर त्याचे वडील लवकर येतील अशी त्याची भाबडी इच्छा आहे. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Now, again we can see here that the child wants to light the dark route to his village so that his father can return early in the evening. Like any other child, he too wants to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. Means here if his father comes early, then he can tell story to him, bedtime stories. म्हणजे त्याचे वडील जर लवकर घरी आले तर इतर मुलांप्रमाणे ते त्याला गोष्ट ऐकवतील आणि त्याच्यासाठी देखील त्याचे वडील लवकर यावे असं त्याला वाटतंय. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Again in last stanza also he is requesting moon. He is saying, the child again he is earnestly requesting the moon to give a basket full of moonlight so that he can sow the seeds of moon on the sides of the path that leads to the village from the city. Means we can see clearly that again and again he is requesting moon, means anyhow he wants to lighten the road of his village which goes to city, because he wants his father come early home and come early and come safe at home. One more thing is highlighted through this poem, that social issue is also highlighted. Through this poem, poet wants to highlight one of the social issue. He wants to talk about village life. What type of life village people live? What problems do they face? What is the condition of roads? All these things are highlighted in a sweet and innocent form. Thank you.